XRP USDT Trading Overview. Trading Style, Spot. Time Frame, Midterm. Margin Mode, Isolated. Signal Type, Swing Trade. Target Time Frame, 2 to 3 months between TPs. Entry Point, 0.6278 to 0.6696. Take Profit. Target 1, 0.8060. Target 2, 0.9228. Target 3, 1.0141. Target 4, 1.1024. Target 5, 1.2222. Stop Loss. Stop Level, 0.4153. Risk Management. Prudence and risk management are crucial for successful trades. Allocate 2 to 3% of your investment for spot trading to maximize participation while effectively managing risks. Disclaimer: this analysis is provided for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered as investment advice.